Now, if you are anything like me and you may not be camera ready, but you still need to record videos, you may have done a Google or a YouTube search a time or two on how to record faceless videos or videos that don't require you to be on camera. So I decided to record this video for all of my introverted friends and my friends that can be a little bit camera shy that need to know how to still record video for their businesses, especially for their marketing efforts, without necessarily being on camera. So if you have ever wondered that question, I invite you to keep watching. This video is going to give you the 4 easiest and fastest ways to record a video without ever showing your face on camera. Now you can see that I am actually showing my face in the bottom part of the screen just to kind of foster a connection for you to know that yes, I am a real person. But I have created many a video for my YouTube channel that never showed my face. And my first way to record a faceless video is this one, a screen capture video. I love a screen capture video because it allows you to record all of the steps in a process and you never have to show your face on the screen. Now you can see this is one of my most popular videos in the last several months. I think this video is about a year old, and I do show my picture on my Facebook page, but I never show my actual face. And this video has gotten about 158,000 views, tons of likes, and tons of comments as well. And again, you don't have to show your face. You just have to walk people through your process. And these videos I call marketing gold because there is a way to attract people who are searching for things that you can help them with, even so much for them to pay you for without ever having to show your face on camera or having to make 2 and 3 videos for Instagram Reels and TikTok and Facebook as well. So let's move on to the second way you can record a faceless video. And while I have done this a time or two specifically for workshops, it's not one of my favorites, but it's definitely an option. You can always record a presentation and let your voice actually be the main star of your video. Now, Keynote as well as PowerPoint will allow you to record your screen, but I do really like Canva's presentation templates, and you can just plug and play your information into the templates and then hit record and just talk over the slides. The third way you can make a faceless video these days is by using an animated video software tool. And my favorite one is Powtoon. And you can see how to spell it on the screen. But Powtoon doesn't just help you create animated videos, but you can also do screen recordings and presentations. But one favorite and really popular type of video is whiteboard doodling. Heck, you can even create a custom character and always do a faceless video. And then finally, if you're just wanting to add some text on screen, you can use stock video footage. Now, Pexels is a great place to shop for some stock video footage. Canva also has stock video footage. Envato and several other stock video sites are there to provide various video templates. And I believe InVideo has one of the largest stock video libraries. So now you really don't have a reason not to integrate video into your marketing efforts. You can do a screen capture video, you can talk over PowerPoint slides, you can make an animated or a whiteboard doodle video, or you can just use some stock video footage. As always, I